Whoa. Whoa. Where has that rabbit gone? There's the rabbit. Oh no, I gotta trace him. Where are you going, rabbit? Rabbit? Ugh, I literally missed it. Where is it? Oh, there's doors. Found one. Ooh. Ah! I am really terribly sorry. Quite alright. But you did make quite a turn. You see, I was following not a good right to upturn. Please, sir. What can I do for you? I was supposed to follow the red rabbit. I mean the yellow and green rabbit. Yellow/green rabbit. How about you just check on the table? Yes, there's a key. Okay, I must get in for sorry. You're much too big. Simply impassable. You mean impossible? No, impassable, you silly IQ. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, how about you just try the bottle on the table? Table? Yes, sir. Okay, bet. And when I come back, I'm gonna try a drink. Okay. Take that as a guess. Not so sure. Maybe it has some drinks or like not poisoned or like blah blah blah. You know what? Forgive this. Custard. Whoa. Potatoes. Wow. Cherry top. Whoa. OMG. I look so slow. Why do I look like that? I don't know. Let me drop that one as a yes. Let me drop that one as a yes. Oh God, you know what? Let me drop that one. Okay. Oh. Look, I'm literally the right size. Can I get through? Sorry, you're too big. What? I am literally the right size. You're literally too small. You don't have a key. Key? Oh no. There we go. The key? Did you say the key? Wait, let me get it. Ah! Ouch, that got a bruise. What about you just try some cookies? Cookies? Did you say cookies? Yeah, try that one. Whoa. Whoa, there's balloons everywhere. Okay, never mind. That's like a literal balloon to me. Okay, just drink it and it will pop already. Okay. That was great. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What? I grown too big! What the heck? Ha 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 ha! You will never get in my door. Oh wait, no, that's enough ice blocks now. That's enough now, Melon. That's enough. I'm crying out. Stop crying at, or else I will have to do that. Cry. Take the bottle. Take the bottle. Take the bottle. Bottle? Yes. Take it. Phew, that's close. That was a bit too close. Whoa! Bah! Help me! I'm gonna die. Ah!